opposite the earlier example we discussed about detecting safety requirements on the construction site. If you work at a construction site, you know that monitoring the safety of a construction site is challenging and complex for a human. Let's say you want to develop a machine learning algorithm that can detect whether workers are wearing their safety helmets or not. To do so, you need to take the following steps as we introduced earlier. Create a label dataset. You need to label thousands of photos captured from construction sites. In these photos, label by drawing a rectangle around workers and safety helmets. In the next step, you need to train and test the machine learning model that you're going to create. You need to feed the labeled photos, which is known as your training dataset, into an algorithm for training a model. While training the model, you need another labeled dataset to test if the model learns, so that you can check the outputs. If not, then you need to redo the process. Eventually, the model will learn to detect humans and check for the safety helmets. So once this step is done successfully, you need to verify the model with the new dataset. Also, you train the model, you still need to continuously check if the model is accurately recognized if workers are wearing their safety helmets in the new dataset. As you can see here, we have some new photos, and the algorithm should be able to detect whether they're wearing their safety helmets or not. If not, you'll need to retrain the model until it can recognize a lack of safety helmets. Once the model has learned to recognize if someone is wearing a safety helmet at construction site, it can analyze the images and determine risk more quickly than a human. Such technology can be developed to provide real-time insights for tracking and monitoring various safety requirements at construction sites. One simple way to remember this method is to think about teaching kids. You supervise them, show them examples, and test them to see if they have learned.